This is a grumpy snake. This is reality TV, baby. The real mean one's the other one. I purposely got in my cage with all my big mean ones. I don't know if I'll use this video, but anyway, I like big snakes. Not necessarily my three meanest ones I own that are in this cage. But I want to know what your favorite snake is. Take a picture or a video and upload it right underneath this in the comments. What did you think about that? I think I'm going to live through it. What do you think?
This is to end in fire, then we should all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father.